In Stand Out from the Pack, whilst you pay for the software subscription, there are additional fees that you will pay depending on your usage. You pay for things like sending emails, verifying email accounts, sending SMS messages, making phone calls, verifying phone numbers, using content generation, using conversational bot for sending messages, and a few other things. So this would have been made aware to you when you were signing up, but in any case, I just want to highlight it again and explain how the wallet that's in your account, there's this thing called the wallet that holds credits, and these credits are used towards paying for the fees of, based on your usage every month. Depending on the plan that you're with us, we do include a certain amount each month to your subscription. So for example, if you're on the 297 plan, we do include 10 USD a month into your wallet. So we pay that, and every month you get the next $10 as well. But if you start to run campaigns, you start to send emails, you start to make phone calls, you start to send SMSs, you might experience that you're going to go over that credit. And that's a good thing, because that means you're busy with your marketing, and that should result in more sales, right, for you. But whenever you do go over those credits, that's when the account will automatically top up, and you can configure that amount. I'll show you in a second. So just wanted to make this video to highlight how this works. Now, we do have a page on our website. If you go to standoutfromthepack.com.au/fees, scroll through, this whole page is all about the fees and how it works. So the account credits are explained, how the auto recharges work, what $10 and credits each month as an example would include, and it's dependent on country. So if you're based in Australia, there are different usage fees for SMS and phone calls as opposed to, for example, United States, and that's just based on phone carriers, and that's their charges. We don't have a say on that. That's just how it works. So it does tell you, on average what's included. It talks about all the different fees that are billable in the account based on usage, and it goes into very detail. So just scroll through the page, just get yourself familiar. It's not much, for $10 you can do quite a lot. For example, regardless of the country, for $10 that we include, you can send about 7,408 emails a month, or you can verify 2,000 email addresses. Everything is explained on the page. So what email validations means and everything like that is all explained on the page. But they're all important things for your marketing. So go through the page, make yourself familiar. It's all explained in there. And then in terms of your account, if you ever get an email that says that top up has failed for your account, simply go to your settings by clicking the bottom left corner. Once you're in the settings, you're going to click on your company billing section, and there you're going to see your subscription. You're going to see your next billing date, and that's that. So with the credits that we include, we go by the billing date. So when the next billing goes through, that's when we include the additional credits as per your plan. But in here, you've got the payment methods, so you can add additional cards as a fallback if your existing card might be soon to expire as well, for example. But anyway, that's how you update your card, by clicking the Add Card button and add the details on file. And lastly, with the credits, so credits are here, so you can see the balance. You can see the total balance currently, $10 as an example. And you can click on to see transactions in your account, like what you're actually paying for. But in here is where you determine how you want the automatic top-up functionality to work. So you can decide whether you want to auto recharge your wallet with $10, $25, $50, $100 or more. Obviously, if you got a big business, if you got lots of contacts, if you're running a lot of email campaigns every month, then definitely set it up for a higher amount. Otherwise, you're going to see disruptions to your campaigns, SMS campaigns, email campaigns, because they're going to pause, they're not going to send. And so that could result in loss of potential revenue from sales. So make sure that you set up the right amount based on your need. And you can also determine, and this is a really good one, so you can set it up to automatically top up when you get to 0. But really, when you get to 0, that's when everything stops. So you might want to set it up so that when the balance gets to $10, automatically top it up again. That way you never get to 0, and then your account continues to function smoothly, campaigns continue to function smoothly, and there's no disruptions to your marketing automations.